Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make division easy. First, let's grasp the fundamental terms. Every division problem involves a dividend, which is the number being divided, and a divisor, the number doing the dividing. The result is the quotient, and sometimes there's a remainder. Understanding these four components is your first step towards mastering division with confidence and clarity. Next, we'll tackle larger numbers by breaking them down. Imagine dividing 125 by 5. Instead of seeing one large number, think of it as 100 plus 25. Divide each part separately. This strategy simplifies complex problems into smaller, more familiar multiplication facts, making the entire process much less intimidating and far more approachable for everyone. Now, let's walk through the long division process step by step. First, divide the initial part of the dividend by the divisor. Then, multiply your quotient by the divisor and subtract that product from the dividend. Bring down the next digit and repeat these steps. Continue until all digits are used. Always check your work by multiplying the quotient by the divisor. It should equal the original dividend. To truly master division, consistent practice is key. Dedicate just 10 to 15 minutes daily to solve a few problems. Keep your multiplication tables handy. They are invaluable for quickly finding quotients. Remember, understanding the why behind each step is more beneficial than rote memorization. With these tips, you'll find division becoming second nature, making complex calculations much simpler.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.